Existence is a dilemma, and we spend our days seeking answers to this dilemma of being alive. It's a strange quest, I feel, futile and extremely frustrating. We gather wisdom as we grow older, and then we try even harder to unravel our existence, unaware that wisdom is nothing more than a slightly more articulate form of speculation. We've all been guilty of confusing stopovers with destinations. And there are no destinations, I think. Just one unending, unrelenting journey on this highway of life, with the occasional crossroad thrown into the mix. Crossroads force us into making choices. Choices that separate ambition from complacency. Choices that demand courage over surrender. Choices that shape up opinions and values inside us. Choices that teach us to trust our gut over our wisdom. And not just choices, crossroads, they are an opportunity as well. To change course and to escape burnout, to reinvent, to reclaim, to redeem. And if I was to bring it back to motorcycles, well, my love of motorcycles is one such choice I have made when faced with a crossroad in life. I had wanted to own and ride a motorcycle for many, many years now. But I had been always too complacent to go ahead and do what it takes to get a license and take steps towards owning a motorbike. Now you may argue, and fair enough as well, that the decision to own and ride a motorcycle is not a life-defining choice. Neither is it anything overly courageous to do, right? However, for me, this decision to bring back a motorcycle into my life has helped shape up a mindset. My motorcycle is symbolic of the metaphorical freedom that all of us crave and chase in our lives. It's my escape from the mind-numbing clutter and the burnouts of life. It's a reinforcement of sorts to make time for myself and to ride up to the top of a mountain and soak in the silence and the solitude. My motorcycle is my trigger to get more hands-on, to get into the garage, to get better at DIY projects with it, to own tools and to get my hands dirty. The dilemma of existence, it still rattles me from time to time, but my motorcycle, it takes me away from the temptation to seek answers that don't just exist. Instead, I choose to live the moment every time I am out riding my motorcycle. Now that I own a motorcycle, my mindset is that I seek journeys now. I seek journeys along modest gravel roads through a countryside, and the occasional crossroad thrown in between the mix. And so it goes on, my quest to make choices that look like my dreams. And that's all that is to my existence. Forever seeking, forever curious, and forever incomplete.